Kirabu kia Mount Kenya United mathina makio no marathie na mbere na kuongerereka kuona kwa rita ringi riu mari kigera-ini gia kuharurukio ngathi thiini wa ligi nene ya guku bururi-ini ya Kenya Premier League. Kocha Orodo mwe na athaki makoretwo makimenererio rugamiriri moru wa kirabu giki makiuga matire na miaki ya guthaka ngucanio nene cia ligi.
Look, we have a problem with money. We have a problem with management. We have problems with everything. The problems is all over me, and I don't know where to start, who to talk to, who to avoid, who to get close to. I really don't know who's good, who's not good anymore.
Bitika yao ya muthenya wa ira kirabu kia Mount Kenya United maraguthirwo ni Nzoia Sugar na bao 3 kwa bao 1 kiharo-ini kia Machakos kuria Nyabara ugite kiaga kurorwo kirabu giki ni gigutharara.
We haven't been practicing. Even before Mombasa, we haven't been practicing. Situation is dire. Yes, the players physically here, but we were just talking about it back there. They are here. We are here. Yes, but physically, yes, heart, they're not here.
Imwana cire ucire namba 18 mutiro murugamo-ini wa metha na kuria mamathite pointi 12 thutha wa guthaka ngucanio 21. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV haro-ini njitagwo Kuria wa Gicimu.